The beauty and benefits of the beach. The British coastline stretches over 12,000 miles, offering a myriad of beautiful beaches, each with its own unique character. From the sandy shores of Cornwall to the pebbled beaches of Brighton, the coastlines are a testament to the island's natural splendor. Beaches are not only places of natural beauty, they also offer numerous benefits, both to our physical health and our mental well-being. Natural beauty. Many artists, poets and writers have been inspired by the sheer beauty of beaches. When you stand on a beach and gaze towards the horizon, it's a panorama of endless possibilities. The sight of the vast ocean meeting the sky can be meditative. The gentle waves lapping against the shore, the distant calls of seagulls, and the sensation of sand slipping through your fingers all combine to create a sensory experience like no other. The unique colors of the beach during different times of the day also add to its allure. Sunrise can paint the sky in hues of pink and orange, while sunsets can range from fiery red to deep purple. These scenes offer moments of serenity and reflection. Physical health benefits. The beach is a natural playground that encourages a variety of physical activities. Whether you're building a sandcastle, playing beach volleyball, or simply taking a leisurely stroll, you are engaging in exercise. The sand acts as a natural resistance, making activities like walking and running more challenging, hence improving muscle strength and endurance. Swimming in the sea is another excellent way to stay fit. Not only is it a full-body workout, but the salt water also has therapeutic properties. It's rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium and potassium, which are beneficial for the skin and can help in healing minor wounds. Moreover, the sun, in moderation, provides a healthy dose of vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune system function. However, it's crucial to remember the importance of sun safety. Always use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and avoid the sun during its peak hours. Mental well-being. There's a reason many of us feel calm and relaxed at the beach. The rhythmic sound of the waves and the vastness of the ocean have a naturally calming effect on the human mind. Studies have shown that being near water can lower anxiety, instill a sense of peace, and improve one's mood. This is sometimes referred to as blue space effect. Engaging with nature in general has been known to reduce stress levels. A day at the beach can act as a reset button, helping to clear the mind and provide a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Furthermore, the beach provides an ideal setting for mindfulness and meditation. Focusing on the present moment, listening to the sounds, feeling the breeze, and observing the ceaseless waves can anchor you to the here and now. Environmental considerations. With the increasing awareness of environmental issues, it's essential to remember to treat these natural havens with respect. Beaches face threats from pollution, littering, and coastal erosion. As visitors, we can play our part by following a leave-no-trace principle. This means taking back everything you bring with you, not disturbing wildlife, and being conscious of the environment around you. Organizations and local communities often organize beach cleanup events. Participating in such activities not only helps in preserving the beauty of the beach, but also fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility. Conclusion. The beach is a multifaceted wonder, offering much more than a picturesque view. It's a place where we can improve our physical health, find mental solace, and connect with nature. As we reap these benefits, it's crucial to ensure that we give back by taking care of these beautiful landscapes, ensuring they remain pristine for future generations to enjoy. If you've never been to a beach or haven't been in a while, perhaps it's time to plan a visit. And if you're a regular visitor, take a moment during your next trip to truly appreciate all the wonderful things the beach offers. The coast is calling,